Hi everyone, Adarsh here. So today we will see how we can download and install the Jmri. So Jmri is a software which is based on Java. It's for Java modeling railroad interface. It provides a lot of things, lot of tools, inbuilt tools to manage the railroad li- and manage the layouts. So we can see it has a it's hosted on gmri.org URL, and it has many tools like Decoder Pro. So Decoder Pro is basically used for managing the decoders into the locomotives or accessory decoders. Panel Pro is used for there's another tool Panel Pro which is used for controlling the operations of the trains and other things. We'll get into that one by one going forward. Dispatcher Pro is used for managing the dispatching of the trains and wagons and all. Operation Pro is another tool which is used for managing day-to-day railway model railroad operations, and Sound Pro is for managing the sound decoders in the locomotives or in the layouts. So basically we can see there's a recent release on April 2nd, but we're gonna go for 4.22 production release. I'm using Mac, so I'll download for Mac, but same you can download it for Windows. So just click, very easy, click and run file. But just to make sure that before downloading or before installing JMRI, you should have Java inside your machine. At least you should have JDK 8. And now it's done. Let's see. Still it's not coming because we have to check into the application folder. Whatever application folder has, so I guess there's two times it installed. So here we can see we have JMRI software copied into the application folder in the Mac. For Windows we have in program file and it will be installed. So you can see, you can try to open Panel Pro. So you can see there's a Panel Pro app coming. So once it open, it will ask for edit connections and all. So we'll see what are these things in the next video tutorial, because for this we're gonna use we can use multiple things, like we can use Reno also, and we can use proprietary controllers like NC or other. So we'll see one by one and how we can solve this thing. So basically it is asking to connect to any of the DCC controller. So if we use any proprietary, it will be like DCC controller, or if we use Arduino, it will be DCC++ controller. So DCC++ is something which is based on the C++, where we have to write our own C++ code, and we have to connect it using JMRI tool. So in the next videos tutorial, we'll see how we can use, and we can learn step by step each and everything. So if you see here, this is a home, and here it will asking for connections. Many options are there. We'll go one by one. Like we need CMRI or DCC++ or whatever like I have NC command station. We can use any of the command station whatever we have, and what are the at what serial port it has been connected, and all those information we'll see in the next video tutorial. So I guess that's it for the